Wash your face with this 3-ingredient apple cider vinegar mixture to look years younger. Oily skin can cause you some problems because the accumulation of excess oil on the outer skin layer often leads to whiteheads, blackheads, blind pimples and other skin irritations. But it's not that bad because the experts say that the oily skin tends to age better and develop fewer wrinkles than dry or normal skin. The excess oil results from the sebaceous glands in the skin producing excess sebum. People who suffer from this skin problem usually have shiny skin and large pores. You should know that oily skin can be caused by genetics, dietary choices, too much stress or hormone changes in the body due to puberty. Women also are more prone to oily skin during menstrual cycles, pregnancy or menopause, and while taking birth control pills. The medical experts say that you can solve this problem by avoiding certain types of food, such as refined sugar, which often leads to acne and other skin problems. People who have oily skin use all types of cosmetic and beauty products, creams, face wash, etc. Yes, there are different products which can help you with acne and reduce the large pores, but the bad thing is that these products aren't appropriate for all skin types. Today is your lucky day because in this video we are going to show you how to make the best homemade remedies for oily skin. These mixtures will make your skin soft and you will look younger overnight. And the best thing about these homemade recipes is that they are inexpensive, safe and extremely effective. So this means that you should definitely try some of these homemade remedies. Note they are very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Foaming face wash for all skin types. You will need the following ingredients. Coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon, castile soap, 1/3 cup, filtered or distilled water, 2/3 cup, lavender essential oil, 10 to 15 drops. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Just mix all the ingredients mentioned above in a small bowl until everything is blended. Take an empty container. I like to reuse empty soap dispensers for this and pour your mixture in. Face wash for acne prone or oily skin. You will need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup organic honey, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 10 drops of tea tree oil. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Just mix all of the ingredients, put it into a dispenser. When using it, take a little bit and massage it onto the face. Wipe it off with a moist cotton ball and then wash your face. Face cleanser for dry skin. You will need the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1 cup mild castile soap, 20 drops jasmine fragrance, 1 cup distilled water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to mix all of the ingredients together in a small bowl until everything is blended. Pour it into a dispenser bottle. Face wash gel for dry or oily skin. You will need the following ingredients. 1/4 cup aloe vera gel, 1 or 2 teaspoons sweet almond oil, a few drops of your choice of essential oil optional. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Just mix all of the ingredients mentioned above in a small bowl until well mixed. Pour into a dispenser bottle. For oily skin, substitute almond oil with liquid castile soap. Basic face wash. You will need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup liquid castile soap, 1 to 2 tablespoon oil, 10 drops of essential oil. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Just mix all of the ingredients in a bowl. Then you need to pour this mixture into an empty dispenser. But if you have oily skin, then you should substitute oils for aloe vera gel. You can optionally add coffee grounds to this mixture to make it into an exfoliating cleanser. You should definitely try some of these natural recipes. It will make your facial skin smooth and you will look younger overnight. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.